One of the best pieces of advice I've ever gotten is that you're never too good to sweep a floor. Hit the water.
Hey, you know, because we're doing this, we're gonna get a blizzard in May now.
100% we are.
Shout out to Johnny Hugs. Thanks for watching.
Well guys, it's just the beginning of March and we're already talking 70 degrees next week on my days off. So lakes are all open around our area. Ice is completely off, and I can imagine there's already been boats out on the river and a few lakes around here. So we'll get after it here in about a week and get the boat all situated. Winterized it last year, and we're gonna put the batteries back in, put all the rods and reels, the graphs back on, just get it all set to go, so when the time comes and it's our first day off, can hit the water again.
Shout out to Johnny Hugs. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, John. Baby wipes. Always have on hand. Slime cloths. Old trail cameras, apparently. Casey's napkins. honestly, on a serious note, if you guys have a boat or you like camping, use these Thermacells last year, and they work great. You got kind of like a little handheld one in here and then like a lantern style one. Put these on either side of the boat, bow and stern side, and keeps all the bugs away. So that was a pretty cool gift. Hummingbird. I gotta remember though which one goes in the front.
Well, with these nice weather, we got the boat ready. Can't wait to get out and start fishing with this guy here. Stay tuned. I think this summer we're going to try to do a little weekly or every other week fishing tournament, bass fishing that is. So we'll see how many trees I can catch and how many bass Schaefer can actually catch. So stay tuned for more, and we appreciate it. As always,
God bless.
And Godspeed.